Hi friends, it's Liz here. Thanks so much for stopping by my channel, Liz the Paper Project. I thought I would do a quick video, a quick update, and info on my next giveaway challenge, which I'm super excited about. So as many of you might already know, I've been struggling a little bit with chronic pain, particularly my shoulder and my arm. There's just a lot going on. So while I'm figuring all this out, while I'm getting treatment for it, etc., I've been working on just, tiny little projects. As you may have seen, I recently shared a mini Alice in Wonderland journal. If you haven't seen it, I will link that below. I'm working on sort of smaller and quick projects. And so, of course, this prompted the next giveaway on my channel, which I'm so excited about. So thank you so much for all of your support. I truly appreciate it. When you watch videos, when you rewatch videos, it really helps my channel. Not only does it help me with, kind of promoting my channel through YouTube, but, the video views also help so much as well. So I appreciate you so much. So this is the details on the challenge giveaway. I'm so excited about it. Okay. So I have a few videos on my channel making zines. If you don't know what they are, I will link those videos below. I explain what they are, and I also show you how to make them. The challenge giveaway that I have here is for you to make a zine. It could be any theme that you like, so make it your own. Going into spring now would be fantastic to have something spring themed. You could always go vintage as well. I'm just showing here a sample of what I have previously made and shown you in the videos. I will have all the details in the description box below, as well as on my Ko-fi page and possibly even my blog, because I know not everyone can see that description box or find the details. But if you click at the bottom of the video, there's like a little arrow. If you click on more, that will give you more details. If you can't find it there, then on my Ko-fi page and also on my blog, which is lizthepaperproject.com. Super easy to find. So I will have that as well, just in case. So here is what I would hope that I remember everything I'm going to say. So in order to enter the giveaway, you must be a subscriber to my channel. Don't forget to click that notification bell to know when I have another video coming up. I do check if you are a subscriber, so that's another thing to keep in mind. So be a subscriber to the channel, of course, 18 years and over. I will have details on the dates that this giveaway closes. It is open internationally, which I think I'm so excited about that, because I love creators from all over the world getting to know you and getting to see what you make. So here's what we're going to do. You're going to make a zine. And again, if you don't know what that is, I will link that video below. I think I have 2 videos on my channel showing you what they are and how to make them, but I'll show you. Here's a sample of some that I have in that video, or one of the videos. So it's a small page, which I'll show you here. It's 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper. Okay, that's what it is, an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper. We cut it in a way that you make your little booklet. Okay, and then these are the booklets that came of it. So I'll show you what this is and what I did with this one. So in particular, I did embellish it and decorate it, sort of giving it a little bit more of dimension on the front there. You can see inside, I've got a little pocket on this one in particular. It's got little ephemera. It's got, a little tag that you can pull out. On this side, we have like a little seed pocket, and then a little quote with a tiny little flip up. Okay, so that's like a little tuck spot there. And then the back, we've got this lovely little butterfly, a little embellishment there, and then the back. So this is one that I made, oh my gosh, a few years ago, I believe. But let me show you the fun part of a zine. Okay, so this is the same one, except what I did is I changed the cover, because what you do with a zine is you can photocopy it. So basically, I can't pull these out because these are the photocopies of the one I just showed you. and it's basically like a tiny little magazine. Okay, so what I want you to do is to make one, embellish it, decorate it, do whatever you enjoy, make it your own creation, your own style, and send the original. Keep a copy, of course, because you know you can keep a copy of what you made, but send me the original. I will be making a video showing everything that comes in, and of course this way we all get to see what's being made as well. Now, the reason I love these so much is they can just fit in a regular envelope. I think I have an envelope here, do I not? I probably don't, but you could stick it in an envelope. It doesn't cost that much to ship, and it's just so fun to have someone else's creative little project, you know, to go through. So the way to enter, leave a comment below. Let me know you're entering. You will have 3 points for sending your zine, which is the original one. Okay, so you keep your own copy, send the original. If you make a video reply, which is a VR, you'll get 3 points for that as well. And if you make a VR, if you have a YouTube channel as well, it would be so amazing because we get to see what you've made. And also you can go into the details of, you know, what you did with it. All right, so that's 3 points for a video reply. And then if you have Instagram and you post on Instagram about the giveaway, make sure you tag me, make sure you mention the video, make sure you link my video if it's on YouTube. If it's on Instagram, make sure you tag me and, you know, let everyone know what this is about. You'll also have 3 points there. Okay, so that's the basics. As I said, I will have anything I forget in the description box below. For now, what I think the giveaway, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a large envelope and just pack it with like surprise ephemera and maybe some handmade goodies, because I love just, if you watch my channel, if you are a subscriber to my channel, you know that I have a lot of amazing goodies that come from all over the place. There's a lot of vintage pieces. There's a lot of vintage style pieces. I love to just make little collections for creators and pack those up and send them off. So that's what I'll be doing. You'll get a nice little surprise pack. Plus, of course, I'll probably be making another zine and you'll have a copy of that one as well for your collection. What else did I want to say before I forget? Like I said before, you know, make it your own. It could be a vintage style. It could be a spring theme. And any other questions, you know, just leave a comment below and I'll try and get back to you as soon as possible. I will have my address details in the description box as well, on my blog and on Coffee. And I'll probably be back maybe in the next little bit showing you how we make maybe a spring themed one. I do have one already. I just don't have the copy of it around to show you, but I will link that video below. So you'll be able to watch 2 videos of how we put these together, and maybe you'll get some ideas on how to make your own. So that's it, my friends. I hope this was this is a fun challenge for you to make. Don't forget to, as I said, tag me and follow the rules for entering. Oh, one thing I almost forgot. Depending on the number of entries, I will add more to the giveaway. So for now, you know, we'll leave it as one giveaway. But if I have many more entries, then I don't know, then let's say like 15 entries, then I'll maybe add another giveaway to it, like another package to give away. But again, open international. I will add any other details that I can think of if I forget now in that in the description box and where I mentioned. And I hope you have fun making them. I hope you have fun sharing them. I hope you get inspired to make a quick little fun project, you know, especially in those moments that you're not sure what to make. And I'll be back very soon. I have some tutorials that I'm working on very slowly, but I am. I've got some more goodies that are coming in to show you, and just more fun things to share. All right. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you next time. Thanks so much for stopping by.